welcome back to another virtual story time. I'm Miss Nicole here in the courtyard of the Key West Tropical Forest and Botanical Garden, and today we're going to read From Tree to Sea. The words are from Shelley Moore Thomas, and the art is by Christopher Silas Neal. This seems like a pretty perfect book for us, considering we're surrounded by the sea and we've got lots of trees here at the garden. Earth shows me many things. Trees show me how to stand tall. Even when the wind tries to blow me down, I dance with the breeze. I do not fall. Stones show me how to be strong. If I am kicked around sometimes, like a rock in the road, I just roll along. Oceans show me how to travel far and wide. I see all there is to see, but I always return with a friendly wave. The sun shows me that brightness brings warmth to others. I smile and shine when things look dim. What do we have here? It looks like a cactus. We have some of those here at the garden. Clouds show me how to rise up and float above problems. I am so light, I cannot be weighed down. Bees show me how to work hard and to help others. When work is shared, the rewards are as sweet as honey. What are these bumblebees doing? They're pollinating. A baby bird shows me how to not be afraid, to spread my wings and fly. I'll never find out how high I can soar unless I try. Soil shows me how to support those around me. I care for tiny seeds until their roots are strong and their leaves reach for the sky. Good things can grow from me. Cats show me how to be curious. I playfully explore the world around me. I study, I ponder, I learn. Whales show me the wonder of big things and small things. I dream big dreams, yet I can take only small strokes, one at a time, to make them come true. Here we have a small boat and a big whale in the ocean. The moon shows me that even when I change, I am still me. Sometimes it's round and curly, sometimes only silver, but the moon is still the moon, no matter what. And I am always me, no matter what. What can the whale, the stars, the flower, or the mountain show you? From dirt to cloud, from sun to moon, from tree to sea, there is a wide and wonderful world out there, waiting. Just open your eyes and you will find it. So I love this story about journeying through our earth. So for today's craft, we're going to make our own journey stick. So here's my journey stick. Now a journey stick is actually something that Native Americans used to use as a way to track and record their journeys when they would travel. So they would take a stick, and as they traveled places, they would put something new onto the stick and they would tie it with string. This would help them remember where they've been and what they've seen, and then it would help them to tell a story when they got back to their families. So I want you to go out and make your own journey stick. All you need is a stick, some string, and whatever you can find. So on my journey stick, I have some of these big bellflowers, the ones you'll see right behind me. I also have some stuff from palm, I have some flowers, like plumeria flowers and Geiger flowers. I have Spanish needles. I have a bird feather, part of a fern, and I have a seed pod. So those are all things that I found on my journey throughout the garden. So you can do this at home. And an easier option for the little ones is to cut out a strip of a cardboard and place double-sided tape on it, and as they walk they can directly tape it as opposed to tying with a string. If you're interested in making your own journey stick, you can join our Google Classroom, our virtual living lab, by registering for free at Keywest.garden/education. So show us your journey stick by using #KWVirtualGarden. And then for our activity today, we're going to do our own nature puzzle. So to make your own nature puzzle, all you have to do is go around and collect some different stones of different shapes and sizes. And you'll need some chalk, and you're going to draw a shape of what you want your puzzle to be. So for my puzzle, I'm going to do a heart. So now that I've got my heart, I'm going to take my different size shapes and stones, and I'm going to fill it in like a puzzle. So you can do this at home, just give it a try, and show us what you made using #KWVirtualGarden. Thanks for joining me for another virtual story time. See you next week.